This Honda XR650R Restomod pays homage to the classic 1985 XR600R while packing modern performance. The XR650R, introduced 25 years ago, is often hailed as the ultimate Baja bike. Designed to succeed the air-cooled XR600R and dethrone Kawasaki's two-stroke KX500, the aluminum-framed liquid-cooled monster would win 8 consecutive Baja 1000s with legends like Johnny Campbell in the saddle. In stock trim, the Big Red Pig offered 61 horsepower and a dry weight of just 278 pounds. Enter Peter Kendall, a motorcycle enthusiast originally from Western Queensland. Growing up on a cattle station, Peter developed a passion for Honda dirt bikes in the 80s. Peter says, "I always thought that someone should do an XR650R and backdate it to look like an 85 XR600. And that's exactly what he did. Peter enlisted the help of MXRP to bring his vision to life. The bike received an extensive rebuild. The engine now features a Stage 2 race-prepped head, a high-compression 680cc piston, a performance cam, and more. This powerful setup yielded an impressive 55.5 rear-wheel horsepower. The frame was stripped down completely, allowing for every component to be upgraded. MPE suspension modified the bike's suspension to desert racing spec. It now rolls on custom Excel rims with high-quality parts like a hydraulic clutch conversion and a Trailtech Vapor trip computer. The aesthetic appeal was not overlooked. Custom 1985-inspired graphics and new UFO plastics were crafted to give it that nostalgic feel. As Peter puts it, it got a bit out of hand, and we ended up pretty much modifying everything to the highest standard. The culmination of this project is a stunning bike that embodies the spirit of the original flash red 1985 XR600R. It's a motorcycle that combines vintage nostalgia with modern performance. This Restomod serves as a reminder that with creativity and passion, the past can be reimagined for the present. If you're inspired by this build, check out our full interview with Peter on bikebound.com. What are your thoughts on this Restomod? Share in the comments below.